Passage A. From time to time, some of our partners have suggested that we should employ part time workers during the busy season. They have pointed out that taking into consideration the increase in business, especially during the holiday season, more and more business firms of this kind are following the same practice. Now, the questions before us is whether it will be possible for our firm to follow this practice, taking into consideration the nature of our business. It will be seen from the situation that our firm has been facing during the past few years, that though there has been considerable increase in the volume of our business, we have had to face greater competition from firms engaged in similar business. In the circumstances, our profits have not shown a similar increase in relation to the growth in our business, as we were compelled to keep prices down to the minimum. However, we would like to state that we are not at all against the proposal of employing part-time workers. As far as possible, we would very much like to do so if it is in the interest of our business. In order to find out whether it is practicable for us to take this step, we would like to study this proposal in greater detail. Naturally, this is going to take some time. However, we hope that the study of this solution will be completed well in advance. Passage B. Dear Sir Para, we are in receipt of your letter regarding issue and payment of telephone bill. Para. One bill for each telephone connection is prepared every 2 months, covering the rent for 2 months and charges for local calls as well as trunk calls. The bill is issued for the proceeding 2 months. The bill should be paid within 15 days from the date of issue. You can pay the bill in the post office or at our service centers. If you pay by check in post office, the check should be drawn in favor of the postmaster. If you pay at our service centers, the check should be drawn in favor of accounts officer. Our station checks will not be accepted. Para. If the bill is not paid within 15 days of issue, telephone will become liable for disconnection. However, the telephone will be rung up after 15 days of issue of the bill. Any person that answers will be told about the unpaid bill and the amount thereof. If there is no three reply on the second or third attempt, no further ringing will be done. If checks are not passed for payment by the bank, the telephone will be disconnected immediately. Para. We hope you are satisfied with the information. For issue and payment of telephone bill, if you want anything more, please feel free to write to us again. The telephone department is always at customers' service.